Good morning, class, and welcome to lesson 14 today. So what we're going to be doing is practicing our skip counting by fours. So as we can see here, we have a really big array, but we're just going to work with each one at a time. So the first one I see here is one row with 4 in each row. So I know I can multiply that. 1 times 4 equals a total of 4. So now we're going with this row. So as I can see, I have 2 rows, so I know it's going to be 2 times how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have to find my 2 times 4, which gives me a total of 8. So 4 plus 4 gives me 8. So now we're adding another row, and what we want to do first is skip count by fours, because we're adding 4 more. So if it helps, you can use your fingers. And I'm going to go up by 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I know the new total is 12. 4, 8, 12. I have 3 rows times how many in each row? 4. So I need to connect it to my 3 times 4. So now we add another one. And we are going up 12 plus 4, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have my 4 rows times how many in each row? My 4 times 4. So I'm going to keep going. I'm adding another one. But the first thing we're doing is I'm adding 4 more. So let's skip count by 4. 16 plus 4, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I know I can, if I'm skip counting by 4s, I can go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. How many rows do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Times how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to find my 5 times 4. So now we're adding another row. So we're adding 4 more. So we want to skip count. 21, 22, 23, 24. How many rows do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows times how many in each row? 4, so 6 times 4. So now we're going to add another row. So now 24, I'm adding 4 more. 25, 26, 27, 28. I have a new total of 28. But I want a multiplication problem to go with this new total. So I count how many rows. 7 rows times how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 times 4. So now again, we're going to add this row right down here. But I'm adding 4 more. So I have to do my 28 plus 4. 29, 30, 31, 32. How many rows do I have? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. So right across. All right, and now down here, we only have 2 more rows, so I just added 4 more to my array of 32. So I'm going to add those 4 more fruits. 33, 34, 35, 36. But now, how many rows do I have? Let's see if we can count faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Times how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so now I am adding my last 4 fruits. So my 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. How many rows do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Times how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 times 4. So real quick, let's practice skip counting by 4s forward and backwards. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. And backwards, 40, 36, 32, 28, 24, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4. Now I'm going to flip my piece of paper over, and we are going to practice skip counting by 4s without looking at it. So I have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, and back, 40, 36, 32, 28, 24, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4. All right, and now we're going to work on we're going to do just 2 and 3 right now. Because today our main focus was multiplying by 4, but now we're going to do some word problems with multiplications of 4. Mr. Schmidt replaces each of the 4 wheels on 7 cars. How many wheels does he replace? Draw and label a tape diagram to solve. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my boxes for my 7 cars. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now each car has how many wheels? 4 wheels. So if you want, you can draw it out like this, or you can just draw the number 4. Whichever one makes it easier. So now I know with a tape diagram, I can make a multiplication sentence. I can take how many boxes, my 7 boxes, times what's in the middle, 4 wheels, equals how many wheels Mr. Schmidt replaces. So now if this becomes too difficult, you can draw the 4 in each one and count up by 4s, but we're going to practice skip counting our 4s. So here we go, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So I know 7 times 4 is 28. Mr. Schmidt replaces 28 wheels. Now we're going to do one more together. Trina makes 4 bracelets. Each bracelet has 6 beads. Draw and label a tape diagram to show the total number of beads Trina uses. So I'm going to draw my boxes of my bracelets. Over here it said 4 bracelets, so that's why I'm drawing my 4 boxes. Again, you could do the 6 beads like this, but I'm just going to write 6 in the boxes. So I see our answers are right here. For my 4 bracelets, so I have my 4 boxes and my 6 bead. Each bracelet has 6 beads, and now we want to know the total. So just like up here with our tape diagrams, remember we can take how many boxes, I have 4 boxes, times how many in each box. And I have 6 in each box. So now we can skip count by 4s, or we could skip count by 6s. But since we're working with our 4s, we're going to skip count by 4s to our 6th finger. Now I only have one hand, so when I get to the 6th one, I'm going to put my pencil right here to represent the 6. All right, so here we go. We have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That's our 24. So we know our answer is 24, but we're not done because we want to write out our answer in a sentence. Trina uses a total of 24 beads. And I add a period at the end because my sentence is done. All right, so that is it for today. Your homework will be on iExcel, and you can find that on Edmodo. All right, good job. Thumbs up, and have a good rest of your